There's a moment that happens after you've done everything right. Your bills are covered, your savings are protected, your money has a job. And for the first time, nothing feels urgent. No panic, no fires to put out, just calm. And that's usually when a new question shows up. What do I do with the extra? If you're asking that question, notice something important. This is not a beginner question. This is not a desperate question. This question only shows up after safety and direction are handled. Most people never get here, not because they can't, but because they try to skip ahead. You didn't. Here's the quiet truth. Money that's sitting still feels safe, and in the short term, it is. But over long periods of time, money that doesn't move slowly loses its usefulness. Not dramatically, not overnight, just quietly. Doing nothing feels responsible. Over long enough time, it isn't. And that's not a failure, it's just how time works. This is where most people get this wrong. Growth is not about being bold, it's not about being clever, and it's definitely not about chasing returns. Growth is simply what comes after safety and direction. Once your money has no urgent job left, its new job becomes not falling behind time. That's it. No hustle, no excitement, no constant decisions. Just allowing time to participate. People talk about compounding like it's some magical trick. It's not. Compounding is what happens when you stop pulling money out, stop reacting emotionally, and give time room to work. It's slow, it's boring, and that's exactly why it works. If investing feels exciting, you're probably doing too much. At this stage, something important changes. You're no longer someone trying to make good money decisions. You're someone who builds systems and then leaves them alone. You don't manage growth day to day. You don't check it constantly. You let time do the heavy lifting because time is more patient than effort. Think back to the beginning of this series. The anxiety, the feeling of always starting over, the sense that no matter what you did, money slipped through your fingers. Notice how different this feels now. Nothing flashy changed. No big leap happened. You just stopped fighting money and started giving it structure, purpose, and time. Here's the real secret people miss. You don't grow money by being aggressive. You grow money by not interrupting it. Slow, predictable, calm. You're not late. You're not behind. You're exactly where growth finally starts to work. This isn't about doing more, it's about trusting what you've already built. Let your money be safe, let it have direction, and now, let it grow.